Hey Lacey, I noticed my kid grinding their teeth last night. Should I be concerned about that?
Depending on the age of the child, if they're under the age of 3, grinding is not unusual. It's likely due to them growing new teeth in and trying to figure out how those teeth fit together like a puzzle. As they get older, to ages 5, 6, 7, and a little bit older, if they're still grinding, it's likely due to an airway issue. They could have enlarged adenoids and tonsils in the back of their throat, as well as snoring, mouth breathing, restless sleep. Definitely a good question.